Hello and welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. A great new arrival. This is a 2022 22 plate and it's the Mazda CX-5. It's a SKYACTIV-G Sport and it's the black edition. It's finished in a beautiful grey metallic paintwork and complemented with a full black leather interior. Now the car has only covered 8,291 miles from new and comes with a great specification. Let me talk you through a little bit. So first of all, we've got these 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels. We've also got keyless entry and keyless start, power folding mirrors. So for the parking aids, we do have the front sensors and the rear sensors, along with the rear parking camera with the guidance lines as well. Up on the top here, we do have an opening sunroof. And at the back, we have a power tailgate as well. Moving on to the inside, we do have adaptive cruise control. So that's where it reads the car in front. If they slow down, you slow down. Things like Bluetooth connectivity, auto lights and wipers, DAB radio and satellite navigation. Now, both of the front seats are electric. And on the driver's side, it has actually got a 2-stage memory setting as well. And great for the winter months, both those front seats are also heated as well. If you have any questions at all on the car, please do give the award-winning sales team in Leeds a call. Happy to answer any of the questions you may have. We have a panel of lenders to help with any financial requirements, and we also offer extended warranties through our warranty company, Warrantywise. That's the UK's #1 warranty provider. Thank you ever so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch.